digital IC trainer kit. Okay, model 8002. Okay, this is what digital IC trainer kit. In this, we use ICs to check its output and outputs on the display also, and by LEDs also. Here in this you can see here, this is what IC base. Okay, in this IC base we connect or we fit IC from pin number 1 to pin number 8 one side, and pin number 9 to pin number 16 to another side. Okay, this much legs IC only used in this trainer kit. Okay, you can see here, this is what IC base and this is the pin configurations. Okay, by using these probes we connect here from input and outputs. Okay, we use this trainer kit for logic gates. Okay, you can see here we have the number of ICs to check gates, different gates. Okay, in this you can see, in this IC, this is 16 pin IC, one side 8 pins, another side 8 pins. Okay, this is what notch. Okay, for notch, okay, connect like this in this base of the IC and lock it using this. Okay, in this type you can lock, and using these probes we connect its output, input and outputs to check the IC working and logic gates. Okay, this is what the IC trainer kit. Okay, okay, power button. When we connect it to the supply, you may see here this power is on, and these were the logic input switches. Okay, make on off, and these are the logic output indicators. Okay, where we can see the output of the gates. Okay, okay, this is what the digital IC trainer kit. Okay, as we told in our previous video. Okay, now we using this digital IC trainer kit, we check, okay, logic gates in that AND gate. Okay, we have two inputs, okay, in this gate and one output. Okay, this is what its truth table. Okay, we check it, this logic gate using IC number 7408. Okay, you can see here IC 7408 base of the IC and lock it. Okay, now take probes. In this circuit we shown, okay, pin number 1 and pin number 2 are inputs. We call it as A and B. Okay, for finding our truth table, inputs A and B and output Y is equal to A into B. Okay, connect pin number 1 to input, pin number 1 to input switch 1, and pin number 2 to input switch 2. And next you can take another probe and connect to pin number 3. You can see here we shown pin number 3 for output y, y is equal to a into b. Okay, this pin number 3 is connected to, okay, logic output indicator 3. Okay, now take another probe for grounding. Okay, pin number 8 is grounded by using probe, and take another probe, okay, for VCC. Pin number 16 is given to VCC plus 5 volt. Okay, now the connection is over. Okay, let us test the logic gate, okay, which is AND gate, using IC 7408. Make switch on of digital trainer kit. Okay, switch on, indicator is showing. Now make for first condition input 0 0, output is 0 0 0, output is 0. Okay, in this also say y is equal to a into b, is equal to 0 0. Here also 0 0 0, output 0. Okay, next condition 0 input a, 0 input b, 1. Okay, 1 into 0, here 0, you can see here condition 0. This is make, switch 2 is make on. Okay, means switch on, LED is on, output is 0, means 0 into 1 0. Next third condition, make it as 0. Okay, input A is 1, input B is 0. Okay, 1 into 0, 0, you can see here. This is condition. Now 0 and this is 0. Make it switch A is 1. Okay, switch A is 1. This LED is low, green LED. So switch 1 is on, switch 2 is off, means switch is off. Next output 3, you can see here we connected for output logic. This is not on, means this is 0. Okay, this condition is satisfied. 1 0 0. Last condition, okay, input A is 1, input B is 1. Okay, 1 into 1, okay, y is equal to A into A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, y is equal to A into B, means 1 into 1 is equal to 1. We check it here, these are the zeros. Make switch 1 means A 1, B 1, output 3, Y is 1. Okay, now the truth table is exactly satisfied for this digital IC trainer kit for AND gate.